The little spider hunter, Arachnothera longirostra, is a species of long-billed nectar-feeding bird in the family Nectariniidae, found in forests of South and Southeast Asia. Unlike typical sunbirds, males and females are very similar in plumage. They are usually seen in ones or twos and frequently make a tzeck call. They are most often found near flowering plants where they obtain nectar. The distinctive long beak set it apart from other sunbirds. The sexes are similar, except that the female has a paler base on the lower mandible. Male has all black beak. They are found near their favorite nectar-bearing trees, often species of wild Musaceae or flowers in gardens. They have a buzzy zick-zick call that is made regularly when disturbed or when foraging. Additionally, the song is series of rapid chipping notes, and these can go on for long periods. The species is found in Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, China, India, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Nepal, Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam. Within India, there are disjunct populations in the eastern Ghats from Limassangi, Visakhapatnam and parts of Orissa, and the western Ghats apart from the main distribution in northeast India that extends into Southeast Asia. A record from the Nicobar Islands is considered doubtful. Its natural habitats are subtropical or tropical moist lowland forests, subtropical or tropical mangrove forests, and subtropical or tropical moist montane forests. It is usually found below the canopy. They are also found in gardens, attracted especially by flowers that yield nectar. The breeding season in northeastern India is March to September, but mainly May to August. In southern India it breeds from December to August. 2 eggs are the usual clutch. The nest is a compact cup attached under a leaf of banana or similar broad-leaved plant. The nest is suspended from the underside of the leaf using 150 or so pop rivets of cobwebs and vegetable fiber, a unique method of using spider silk for animal architecture. It is suspected that Hodson's hawk cuckoo and violet cuckoo are brood parasites on this species in India. The little spider hunter, Arachnothera longirostra, is a species of long-billed nectar-feeding bird in the family Nectariniidae, found in forests of